Today I am going to continue the chapter limit for class 11. Evaluate the following limit. Question number 1 given. Limit x tend to 2, x to the power 8 minus 256 by x minus 2. See, limit x tend to 2, this is x to the power 8, this is nothing but 2 to the power 8 by x minus 2. As for the formula here, the power 8 will come here, then 2 to the power 8 minus 1. That means 8 into 2 to the power 7. The formula here write here the since limit x tend to a, x to the power n minus a to the power n by x minus a is equal to n into a to the power n minus 1. Okay? This is the formula required for finding this limit. So finally, how much is 2 to the power 7? 2 to the 7 into 8. It will be how much? This is 8 into 128. Final answer will be 1024. Okay? See the question number 2, second part. Number 1, second part. Question given here. If limit x tend to 2 x to the power n minus 2 to the power n by x minus 2 is equal to 80, then find the value of n. And here condition given n belongs to natural number. Okay, this is the condition given, n belongs to natural number. Okay, now see, limit x tend to 2, this is x to the power n minus 2 to the power n by x minus 2 is equal to 2, it is given in the question. Now we apply the limit formula here. As for the limit formula, n will be outside n into 2 to the power n minus 1. Yes or no? N into 2 to the power n minus 1 is equal to how much? 80. Okay? Then, how to solve this one? Here x tend to 2, go to 2 to the power n minus 1, let it given 80 given. If you compare here, that means n into 2 to the power n minus 1, just to factorize here, it will be 5 into 2 to the power 4, because 2 to the power 4 is 16, 16 5 is 80. Now comparing both sides, just taken I am writing here n into 2 to the power n minus 1, this is nothing but 5 into 2 to the power 5 minus 1. Because 2 to the 5 minus 1 is 4, 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4, 16, 16 5 is 80. Just I am simplifying 80 writing in this form. Now comparing both sides, what will get? We will get n is equal to 5. Okay? This is the answer. In this way I have solved number 1 first part, second part. Okay, let us see 2 more questions. See the question number 2, evaluate limit. Number 2 first part, limit x tend to half 8x cube minus 1 by 16x to the power 4 minus 1. You have to write like this. Limit x tend to half 8x cube, take 8 common here. This will be x cube minus 1 by 8. And here you take 16 common, this will be x to the power 4 minus 1 by 16. Just have taken common here. Now 8 and here 16, this will be adjusted, 1 by 2 will come here. Limit x tend to half, this will be nothing but x whole cube minus 1 by 2 whole cube. Now dividing x minus half both up and down, dividing. And here also same thing, this will be x to the power 4 minus 1 by 2 whole to the power 4. Okay, just give the bracket here, divided by x minus half. Means dividing x minus half, both numerator as well as denominator, the formula will be like this. the limit extend to half and x cube minus 1 by 2 cube by x minus 1 by 2. The answer will be n. N means here 3 into a to the power. A means here 1 by 2, a to the power n minus 1. 3 minus 1, that will be 2. And denominator part will be same thing. Limit extend to half x to the power 4 minus 1 by 2 to the power 4 by x minus 1 by 2. The answer will be n. N means here power 4. 4 into a to the power. A means here 1 by 2. To the power 4 minus 1, that is 3. Okay. So finally how much you are getting? This is 3. This is 4 to the 8. And here 1 by 2 whole square means 1 by 4. And this is 1 by 8. Okay. So finally what will get here? 3 by 8. This is 8 by 4. 4 cancel. Answer is 3 by 4. So what is the answer of the number 2 first part? 3 by 4. Okay. Just to see. Are you able to understand or not? Let us see next part. Next question, see number 2 second part. Limit extend to a x to the power m minus a to the power m by x to the power n minus a to the power n. Do one thing here, dividing x minus a both numerator as well as denominator. Then limit extend to a x to the power m minus a to the power m divided by x minus a. I am dividing both numerator as well as denominator. Write the fraction sign like this. Limit extend to a, this is nothing but x to the power n, denominator part a to the power n by x minus. I am dividing x minus a both numerator as well as denominator. I hope you are able to understand. Dividing x minus a both numerator as well as denominator and taking limit both numerator as well as denominator. The formula stands here. M will be outside, m into a to the power m minus 1, and here n into a to the power n minus 1. The final answer will be m by n and a to the power m minus 1, here a to the power n minus 1. That means this will be power will be a to the power m minus n after simplification. Okay, just to see. Answer is m by n a to the power m minus n. This is the answer of number 2 second. In this way I have completed today 4 questions related limit chapter for class 11. Thank you for today class. Next day I do more sum.